Hello, I'm Stefan Lukic. I live in Singapore and this is my CS50 final project. So for my final project, I decided to develop a web application which is related to my line of work, which is a civil engineer. So I'm a tunnel design engineer, and so as part of my job, I have to quite often I'll have to look back on previous projects and find trends and to use those to inform early design decisions on new projects for myself. So in order to do that better, I developed this web application which on the front end uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and on the back end uses a SQL database. And in that SQL database is contained 827 projects. And what this web application does is it uses trends from those projects to automatically generate a report which advises you on some properties and dimensions to select for your design. So on the index page, you have this introduction of how it works, and you're prompted in order to use this tool to input your own data to the database, in exchange for using the tool. So if you've already done that before, then you can click here and skip this stage. And there's a custom preloader here designed as a GIF. And if I input a diameter here, internal diameter of 8, it will generate a report for me. And in this report is contained various different aspects of design. And here I'm using chart.js. I have various different charts, and finding averages and using those averages using the linear least square method, finding recommendations for each tunnel diameter for design properties. And in here are various different types of property, and some of them depend on geological conditions. So I've broken them down here within the SQLite database, and even things like settlement here are given, and you can also rerun all of this with your own inputs here and generate a second report. And also you can generate a drawing here which is automatically generated and contains the different values from within the report. So that's my final project. Thank you so much, David, and everyone involved in CS50. I've learned so much. Thank you.